Today, we're using a power rake to refresh this old, compacted gravel road without bringing in any new materials. Over time, gravel roads are guaranteed to show a few common problems if they're not maintained properly. First, the gravel gradually gets pushed to the sides. That's mostly due to vehicles traveling the same path over and over, or from winter plowing pushing materials outward. Second, the areas where tires consistently hit the road get packed down much harder than the rest. These compacted channels act like little highways for water, which speeds up erosion and causes potholes. And third, you'll usually see a raised section in the middle, especially on narrow roads like this, where no vehicle weight touches. That high center can make drainage even worse. We're using a tool called a power rake, also known as a Harley rake or soil conditioner. It's an attachment mounted to a track loader, and it can do wonders on a road like this. As the drum spins, carbide teeth dig into the compacted surface, breaking it up and loosening the gravel underneath. This section is especially rough due to the larger rock sizes, but the rake handles it well. This particular attachment is 84 inches wide, and the drum angle can be adjusted directly from the cab. That means the operator has full control over where the excess material goes, left, right, or straight back, just by changing the angle of the drum. If you have a gravel driveway, it might be tempting to just order more stone to fix the ruts or uneven areas. And sure, it might look good for a season if you're lucky. Most contractors will push for new material because it's the fastest way to improve appearance and it increases the overall cost of the job. But in many cases, the real issue isn't a lack of gravel. It's how the existing material has shifted or compacted over time. With the power rake, we're able to quickly refresh and reshape the road surface without adding major costs for the homeowner. It's definitely not the only thing we recommend for a problematic gravel road, but it's a solid first step. The rake breaks up compacted areas, regrades the surface, and redistributes the material to improve the fundamental structure of the road. Even if you don't move on to the next steps right away, this puts you in a much better position. Step 1 after raking would be compacting the surface using a vibratory roller. This locks in the loosened gravel and fines, creating a smooth, durable driving surface. Next, we'd recommend applying a finish material. If your road is relatively flat, a clean gravel like pea gravel or 2B can work well. Just keep in mind, these are clean materials, meaning they contain no fines, and therefore don't compact. Over time, they'll shift and move, especially with regular traffic. If your road has any slope, tight curves, or will see heavy equipment or vehicle traffic, we'd go with asphalt millings. This recycled material compacts well, both with a roller and under normal use. It's also repairable. If potholes or ruts form, you can simply add more millings and compact them. Because of the residual tar in asphalt millings, they actually start to bind together when heated by the sun. So in warmer months, your driveway will harden faster. If you're aiming for a more blacktop-like finish, you can apply a binder like diesel fuel or a synthetic sealer. Just be aware, many areas have started banning diesel use for this purpose due to environmental regulations. Fortunately, there are a variety of store-bought sealers available that are more eco-friendly and effective. So while the power rake is just one part of the process, it's a powerful tool for setting your gravel road up for long-term success without immediately pouring more money into new material. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. We hope it gave you some insight into improving your gravel driveway. Got questions or suggestions? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear what you'd like to see next.